How to make a sanctified covenant paracord bracelet with the microcord stitching. In the next few minutes you will have the full tutorial, so stay tuned and enjoy. Hello my dear friends, welcome back. I hope that you're all well, safe and sound, and that you're ready for yet another awesome paracord project. Today we're gonna use the gold paracord, the gold microcord, and the two strands of a black paracord 550. So one longer strand for a bracelet base and the one a bit shorter for the weaving process. Before we start the full tutorial how to make this 4-strand bracelet core with 2 working ends, you have in a top right corner of this video information cards, also down below in the description box, where you can find the tutorial for this beautiful paracord bracelet I'm wearing today, as well the links where you can purchase your paracord supplies and the stuff we used in this video. So that being said, the credit for today's project will be also down below in the description box. Now, first we're gonna insert our gold paracord into the bracelet core, and then we're gonna proceed. So we're gonna take the gold paracord and we're gonna make it around, and then from the top into the gap between gold and the black. So from the top into the gap and through. So when we finished with our gold, we're gonna pass to the black, and these top 2 cords are the cords we inserted afterwards, and these bottom cords are the cords from the bracelet core. So we're gonna take the bracelet core cords and then pull them under the bracelet base, and then from the back through the gap between gold and the black, like so. Now we're gonna take the left side and also pull them from the back through the gap. and we cross them, as you can see. Now from here we're gonna take our right side black cord and then pass it under the core strands and through the gap between right side black and the gold, and we're gonna return it from the top through the loop on the right side. Now we're gonna take the left strand and pass it under and then through the gap between left side cords of a black and the gold one, and from the top into the loop on the left. Now from here we're gonna repeat the whole process. So we're gonna take our right side and we're gonna pass it under the core strands, and then from the back through the gap between left side black and the gold cord. So the right side under and through the gap between left side cords and the gold. Now we're gonna take our left side black and pass it under the core strands and then through the gap between right side blacks and the gold. Now we're gonna take our right side black and again under the core strands and then from the back through the gap between right side blacks and gold. Now from the top we're gonna pull it through the loop on the right. And then we're gonna take the left side black and pass it again under the core strands and from the back through the gap between left side blacks and the gold. From the top through the loop on the left. And before we secure it, we need to pull our gold paracord from the back through the gap between the black paracord and the gold paracord. So from the back through the gap. And now we're gonna return it from the top through the right side gap. So from the top into the gap and to the side. Now we're gonna secure it. So from here, to finish this bracelet, we're gonna take our feed and pass it in between the two base cords from the right side, so between these two black paracords. And the same on the left side. So from here we're gonna take our microcord and we're gonna start the stitching process, but before that we need to insert our microcord into the bracelet base. So we're gonna detach the bracelet from the jig and then we're gonna insert the microcord. Again, we're gonna take the ends of our microcord, pull them together. So we're gonna have the equal length of a microcord from the left and right side. So we're gonna start. We're gonna take the one end and we're gonna pass it under this loop here. Now from here we're gonna return it from the back through this loop here. And we're gonna proceed. We do the same as we did on the first one. So from this end, pull it under and through. So here we are, our bracelet is finished. I hope that you like it. If you do, don't forget to leave a like, share this video with your friends and family. And if you're not subscribed, consider subscribing and hit that bell button so you'll be notified whenever we post a new video. So that being said, until the next time, wishing you just best, stay safe, be well, and see you soon. Bye!